Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add new printer to PrusaSlicer. So what we need to do is go to the top menu bar at the very top and then select configuration and configuration wizard. Now a window will open showing a list of 3D printers manufacturers on the left sidebar. Now let's see, it takes a few moments. So you will see here in Prusa Research bunch of options here, and you can select which printer or which printer you would like to add. Check the box to your exact printer model and choose your nozzle size. So right here, you will put it like that, 0.4. If it's standard, you can also put it here, as you can see, 0.25 to 0.8. So if you have something from there, you can also check this. Yeah, and when you are good with that, just click on Finish. Now, if you would like to put some custom or unlisted printer, you will go here to, on the left side here, to the custom printer, and you will click here, yeah, next, and here you will select type, firmware, and vendor right here. You have a bunch of them, so you will probably find something from here. Also, you will put profile, which one you would like to have. Go next. And yeah, uh, expert mode, and that's it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next